Parker, are you saying hi to Nora? Are you saying hi to her? Oh yeah, Nora likes that. Yeah, she does.
Really gentle.
That's your little cousin.
Really gentle.
Yeah.
No eyeballs.
Uh-huh.
Be gentle.
She likes it when you touch her head real soft.
Okay, be gentle.
Here's Parker P. He's 1 year old, and he's with Nora, who's 5.5 weeks old. Nora, do you like it? Yeah, you like your cousin? Your big cousin? Uh-huh.
Gentle.
Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh no, no. Really gentle. Just really gentle.
Parker, you say hi?
Say hi.
Hi. You say hi? Wants that binker back in. So see you later.